Sandumelana sanibonani lisho kule Mathieu phela nonesi Kelvin intwana senibonke khona le Kenza bathi umkhenza kashaya thethiso. Bana mawuthi wami ngayinga ku right impethu yapolice ngaku left impethu general. Manje baye ukuthi amawuthi wami ukuthi azintroduce. Before bazintroduce lapho ngithi siphathele i-episode 15. Siphakela sizopheka ne sizopheka simphakele nidle nina amacebo nje ukuthi ukudla kuthi kunjani. Lawe soqala ngaye ku-Weltham. Police.
Wala bafuthi Steve Mavocha Shibobo Mac.
That way. Size ngayinga ku left.
That way. Siyagotse Shibobo Mac.
That way. Senzile bafethu uma nge that way. Jule kakhulu futhi naku careful. So it's born careful soqala ngani Sundowns ne. Masandawana kabuyelo. The sky is the limit. Not as of late. Yeah. So between the game, how did you see it? How did you analyze the game?
Game Sundowns.
Sundowns. So okay, but starting Sundowns against
Sekhukhune. They left it late.
But
we additional time. Safe the game. 2-0. And then no Sekhukhune also.
And a good delivery.
Lesa formation level badlala le style of play lesawo lesokudlala low block bayilahla ngelona last minute cabanga additional time boma 5 minutes additional time bashaya 2 goals Sundowns umfethu ay
wena ke ngibona i-comment elikhethiwa kyamama ngiclashe kanjani angiyazi ukuthi ukhuzwa khona uzobagaya assist amini kodwa ku goalkeeper
ay bana yethu Sekhukhune danhle ngibona man game no tlamele dlalela ere ni dlala draw ele no tloba kgeno yabo badlala draw lokona go tswa go drawing eli ya Sekhukhune vele ane tloba mna ngebe buka fanda go
badlala draw
ko YouTube yenzani bayavulela belasini bayathweka
kanubani lo wathi
sathweka ubani
lo wathi Sekhukhune so challenge for a league. I'm not sure about Pirates.
Langamani
ngamani
ngabe bikala
mara
sebele simkhumbuzo
sasho sathi hayi labadlaleli survival le top 8
kahle ni securing isport
Cran ayikho mfethu into esothi wow
talking about securing sport. How do you guys see like the top 4 between in regards of them playing to win Ilokuzani league? Like how many teams do you think they competing for the league? I'm talking about top. Okay, let me just say top 6. Are they showing the hang of okay? You wanna fight actually, but the amongst the top 6, they don't even like stand a chance that much because of the games that they played. So I would say top 4. Yeah, top 4. Do you see Leo hanga Leo with a much league or ubona yakhumbula lento lekeza Chiefs banga umbrella then athatha sana? Do you see the same thing happening again?
Hey, it's possible.
Yeah, and fana busy no.
It's possible ukuthi kuzoba nabo number 1 bese mase izophela league change.
So you saying ukuthi sizoku change so?
I think so.
Yeah, because of Sheba number 4 currently. AmaZulu imana expected le yini. They are having a good run lebona. Bayatla.
So Sekhukhune seku number 5.
Yeah, they remain number 5 after their loss. Yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns. So like i team ngathi zoba inkinga. AmaZulu. And like ayashebiwa apha and that one waspan. It shows ukuthi ayaspan ama tactics amspanela because of now mangabheka. Singasho sithi AmaZulu nayo they are competing for a league. Whereas the Chiefs now improve, right? Slala na choose they use it to determine. So like we right away top 4 because of separate package baba AmaZulu.
Well, to choose
yes, they are improving.
Yeah,
they are improving.
I would say
yes.
Yeah, we saw like fixing some other things, but I'm not yet convinced. Ngalento ukuthi like ke dula ke na le tshwele la hore we might win, we might lose, we might draw, and a batho ba nna le Espolona wa tsebo okay highly lose ke lose lo reng Machita e jele gape but you know you're always expecting win, understand? So I won't be confident enough. Yeah, Machita Lucas and everything, but I won't be confident enough for okay ka start thinking so I have that doubt to okay sharp. Vandaag maybe we might draw, we might win, and only le goal re korileng against Nepal coach. That cross
cross goal.
Yeah, cross goal. Fitzna wasn't convinced. I saw it was a fluke, so we cannot be saying okay, Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, it is. They try. We cannot say they've improved or else we're not yet scoring goals alone. They're convincing enough for us to say yes, we did.
So win.
You understand?
Na yena driving ngifuna ukulungiselela point lakhe ukuthi no ne Chiefs iwina ama-win
akumele wawin
ama-win lawa i-Pirates bekumele ngabe iwina kanjalo ayi inga-draw ngithola so no but into engincanywayo nga-riding le ngawo lama-win wabo ukuthi ya bayalungisa feed indlu yabo bazamthola ama-combination right but bayenza yonke lento le bayawina ngithola so riding le izobuild confidence emaplayini
kahle
and uyazi more confident to fit you can do anything so izothi mase bayibambile maybe let's say this month maybe late or whenever mase bayibambile bazowina so because of bagrindile into bengisho ku-Pirates kulele game lesikhukhune grind results akudingeki iglory ngabona ulebo lapha bekathi uyacross
kahle
ukorele ngizucoach athi half time athi ulilebo umtshelile ukuthi awuntanga bengimbukele ngeAFCON uthanda ukuphuma epalini so ngizolebele ngicrossa ngithola and eventually uyowakora ngithola into ezifana naleso dakusikhukhune uvelile usibilibili bekumela pass
that ball there
we are grinding for results out here we don't need this sibilibili glory glory we just need a collective effort as a team so each Chiefs asayidini labo no angeke ngithi they are doing well but it's good that whatever that's happening it's happening in the bayakhona ukuthola ama-results la and i-Sundowns mina mfana angicavi ukuthi ama-fans i-Sundowns akhalelane yabo because ayakhala bhaya but bayawina jo mina into engishoyo ukuthi noma singadlalanga the football that we want but makushaya 90 minutes bafitha swinini then we'll fix the football ngelinye igame elizayo.
I think you know why ama-fans we-Sundowns akhala. They know pretty well ukuthi hey we have the pressure behind us. You understand? So you having that momentum ukuthi you always you come up first every time and everything you wanna keep on doing that. But now remember past few seasons I wouldn't say it was easy for them but it was easy.
It
was easy. But now they feeling the heat.
So my question is amanye ama-team improvile or bona bayaleka?
Well, I mean, I would say, to be fair, EPSL on its own improving in a sense of teams that you were not even expecting, like back then, you would see them top 2, top 3, top 4. You understand? They're fighting for the position. For starters, you remember season like it's Cocoon. Everyone in Jimbo whatever they say. It showed okay. Up to now, they're willing to play. They're willing to give them their all. Excellent. We're still underdogs. We're still new and everything. They just go in there and do the thing. So, I mean, I think it's not Uguti is Sundowns. The game is changing. The game is changing. It's moving with the times.
And in terms of the teams are passing style of play as Sundowns. So, paket tell us about another thing.
You understand?
Plus, Basala. Both leagues. So like riding you nka check di teng teams le ono di improve.
Yeah, plenty.
Di teng. Abana la crank impressed ka di performance tsa Chiefs. Go ringa VAR. because of una le leng ke bona nge etsahalang da o like
e lo reng fana
ba spana no
ona le tshwene lo re le bua ka
and the previous episode re buile ka la eng ya hore le mabue combination ya Ndlovu le Mangwe ke mango dlala le mabue da I think Kim Tu yeah Kim Tu ba tla isa Mtu first afa ke ba qala le yena from there ba substitute ba kenya Mantoni Tash Mabaso and then ba kenya workaholic Ndlovu ya ba spanela la ideng yo aka go shebe because of game ya Galanzi ke bone but ba dlala win
Dano Justin JFF
ba thotse goal e la lap they scored and then no bona le coach a shadi subtsai a tlo kenya Ndlovu he knew like okay Ndlovu a tlo kena yi tlo tshwara ball o stabilizer medley and obviously mabuye yena o shaspansai so like Ndlovu a tshwere ball clearly o etsang o keep the position goal setting la bona and then tse di ba frustrated and tse di ba attack
and uchuna di deng e lo reng di loose balls make sure what di deng ya re la hle ball fela why holder a sheba mashala
I think ya ba spanela la deng you it does spana so like choosy for now this past games nje improve a lot really so like this month nje utlo ba mnati nje February utlo ba mnati wanthola itlo ba mnati because of ka sheba le Pirates lona nka se ga bana pressure ida
andla wena
2 big games tse tlang
ke yona
2 big games
ke re nna
mnati
nje to ditse we still have a chance of actually chasing it ke a ke tlo dlala lwe
like
yeah that game is going to
usual because of now a win for Pirates ki confident boost
a win for Kaizer Chiefs
a win
still have a chance
a lose for Pirates ba ka yimrao AmaZulu Chiefs le bona ba tlo reng ba jiwe ba to cash up
le Sundowns
one shot so like
aba Sundowns ay khipile yabo sesibekele sesikhuluma ala ma team la
so like Sundowns
no,
yeah I know
not in that manner but
because angaka i2 i1 of which is le so idlala Tuesday banthola so akadlala game ya Tuesday and then ga lekana ka di game so kutsho ke must win ko rona and ke top 4 top 4 akishwa ke AmaZulu da then it's gonna be a problem our Robocop ba tlo ga this one he must stop experimenting ngaka experimenta la man wabo
amfana
so like experiment ayibatli
esikhukhune Joe mina ngifeel ukuthi laba elahle khona
mova
ngaba vayisusiye coach
yeah because
True.
they build something let's build something with the performance I think it was because of that change
true
exactly since kufika uThinkler
because of style of play
decline
I think Thinkler mara uke notice something Thinkler whenever isikhukhune sidlala nelona nepaka or Paris ni Chiefs to be precise ne ubheke ama tactics wakhe anjani because of he knows ukuthi makadlala nepaka ipaka la attack lidlala open football and then yena obviously uyablocker yena crane ufuna ukudlala ne transition ngama counter kuphela nakuChiefs wenza the very same thing yakhumbula like first round maybe first league ne
FNB
yeah wenza the very same thing washo Chiefs ngecounter alibile hlele move so like
smela singene maqedathi
ongimangaze ngegame le Sundowns lila no how we mise kanjani or it's either Sundowns imchachile or what bamchachile ne
futhi goal lokuqala
elokuqala
bamchachile hayi lesi goalkeeper ba system ushayenge
nesandowns yabona like lesandowns ekhona ukubona mfethu okay sha singlo shayile Kaizer Chiefs so
shayile phakathi so
okay re thuba jwang lo ke ene ba yetsa ntwe homework ya bona ba spanele
jo
and abafethu nantse say okay nantse lo ring ke sheba ka tseleng wena let's say for an example if you were to say unka Stellenbosch unke lesikhukhulu ulibeda ubonka Thinkler which team do you think best suits his CV like his style of play everything you understand because I feel like people might not be aware or maybe get away na ke shebileng ka teng or lebo coach sometimes bana bi kinya go di team tse lo reng noma ka zama introduce ntshwae ka se Spani di ba batla go Spani ka teng you understand it's one le play let's say for an example o shota ka strike o sa defender wangithola or maybe o shota okay team shota ka striker se lo reng maybe let's say ba batla target man wena obusayina muthona nke target man but udlala as a mobile striker. So that utholore most ya di-play tse leng ba di etsang ke go dlala as mobile striker di-player se ke a tjho nje hypothetically speaking gore di-player tse leng a di kgone mo feeder di-ball. You understand? Team e ke team e leng gona o shaya di-interlink but in terms of feeding ball or leng doesn't work for them.
I mean avana ngiyakutshela no. Think team ezomsutha kulawo wabalilo wethu ayikho.
Why?
Mela change style of play sakhe.
Yeah, or shoot mela adapt.
Yeah, mela adapt. Adapt or die.
So
I mean yabona mfana ne-management esikhukhuna ngicava ukuthi bamlandelile like kubo bonke abacoach
vele why
bamlandelile bayini why bangalandanga la out be coach cheap kumbadela le ku Durban City
man badela
ngithola because of the way bebadlala ngakhona ubone ukuthi okay bafuna ukudlala beautiful football basayina nama player grand yabo they just need umuntu grand ozoba coach ukuthi okay project lesiphusha la naye asichubekisini nango umuntu owazokudlala lo disk lelo because of uyambona na kuchipa ubadela makucaliliki ukuthi yo baba Sundowns
okay
udlala ibhola la
ehamba
and no bekangana ama player
at the time
cheap at that time bekadinga nje udinga njengorulana ku Sundowns ufike wathola ama play so lento bekafuna ukuyenza ivele yamsebenzela
complemented each
other yangithola so bekumele isikhukhuni silande coach ozochubekisa iproject no balanda umuntu obabuyisela emuva bazothola icoach oGrand kumele acayele phansi futhi ayenze futhi enye into beyizoba Grand
these teams
akubavele
I think that la ila simosha khona because bangabheka ne looking from back then for makers inini ubhalela ngithi uphansi kaRulani bangabheka istyle se Black Poison wabheka nesikhukhuni it's almost similar you understand umuntu okhona ukulokhuzana like ukukhuluma nama player according to the way I understand ngakhona ukuthi okay bafethu this is how we play and this is how we do it because you cannot ulanda umuntu like yabona ethi sithi ubani ucheaper ke mang 10 malisela uyamazi ukuthi umuntu okanje angithi right obviously if ngiyi team ngiyazi ukuthi okay mina like siyazi ukuthi iPirates idila ngilokuza maybe like style of play sabo sikanje iKaizer Chiefs siyazi ukuthi it's a combination of whatever then siyazi ukuthi laba transitional football you cannot uthatha ubhadele umlahlela ku transitional football kumuntu obeni ukuthi
umuntu uyakopanza
yamthola into njalo so already unanthola wrong sense uyenze off the pitch uyenze tafuleni before ufika ku pitch
exactly problems aqala la
hey inkinga
amajavu ama-team inabhaya
ne
yeah
problem hiyo
la ku Kaizer Chiefs the same thing
yes because of now ku-Chiefs phela Chiefs qalelwa phansi
you understand sintroduce into esingayi like engase yethu ezanabanye abantu we no longer have like unamthi konje ngibitsandi lenge akithi ngitloreng but when I used to say my signature so that simply means I can go play game batsi bokapule ke motho ana
yeah ngiyathola
bayapule ke motho di mohawk
kumele balanda udente
sezwalo mfethu
kumele balandena ne
uChiefs
exactly
azobalandisa lona
if not udente baba patient no others one because I think Anders one understands Kaizer Chiefs more than he understands himself
yeah ukuthi enye into
because of cabo yenzana lapha kusanta kuBamazulu
mfethu ne-pressure
yeah but you need to give yazifana na mina I still say standard safety scheme mfethu so long as you don't like it's Man United you remember ngoFerguson ulast isikhathi singakanani
for years
you understand so I get to like be a coach isikhathi masiloko see I'm no longer a coach I'm a father isikhathi masiloko see I'm no longer a father sesumndeni isikhathi masiloko see angisaso umuntu lo ngithatha nje so like a brother or something I can confide in you and you understand me mangikumnandi at my ups and lows you understand that's how it is that's how you build chemistry you cannot build chemistry if you're entering in a new relationship you saying okay ngiyakthanda thinking ukuthi in the next thing so bheka umunye umuntu futhi ufuna like you need to focus here build if uyabona ukuthi hayi akuhlangana okay buildela phezulu kwalento le or ungashi like don't change who you are for whatever that's happening outside or because you want to bring igama elithize. Continue to whatever umuntu ozala kwamele akhona ukuhlanganisa lokhu nalokwakhe kube into eyi-one.
And then buildanga i-chemistry nosibobeshe hayi ngiyadlala so into bengithi ngiyenza example ukuthi da ku-Chiefs ngendaba kaTazwana ukuthi bekumele babe patient noTazwana but then i-problem sona solobele sithi simfuna yazi ama-fans anjani angithola and mina that's what I believe in kayi-coach uthi ndoda nayi-contract sa-7 years angithiwa yazi into yenzayo into eyifunayo nayi 7 years hlala ne-team ubuild into efana nale
builder
everything family yangithola
of the builder
ubuilda something nama-player ukuthi ama-player noma angajimi akhona ukubloma wonke like bahlala after training asihambi sesijahela ukuvaya sinokuhlala
something like a brotherhood type of thing
siphuza amanzi siringe
Sikole ku-understand ukuthi akakhuluma isikhiphayo.
Ngithola umfake life yakho ngithola ukuthi hayi man
that way vele yenza ama-player acavane on and off the field
ngithola and mase sicavana off the field kuzoba much more easy ukuthi sispan on the field because of siyazwana ngizokucava ukuthi uthandani okay zwazi ukuthi makashaya i-run leya i-disc ulifuna yiyo i-disc akalifuni la hayi ngeke ngiphase out yami yiyo ngithola kanjalo so ama-team abhaya ku-PSL akhathwa ile nto le
i-team eyi-one ke yayenza le nto le
yokutshintsha abo-coach njenge-cheap
i-one and mangathola ukubheka mangizokutshela ngayo mangathi ubheka nesikhathi izinto zenzakale ngakhona ukuthi they were patient enough with this coach uGenius uhlala isikhathi eside kuSundowns
bamkangathi
isikhathi sakhe eside kanti ubonile ukuthi after not after during leso sikhathi lesasihlalile ucollect izinto ezingakanani because they believed in him
and umzwile uteko uthini kule podcast eKhawash uthe makafika la yena bekuna those big name players bebakhetha ama-game abazuze bathi leya mayifike yaphela yonke le nto le
kuphi
ngoba yena makathi uzokuhambisa makathi ngeke udlale
kodwa kufike la kusana ku-surprise Mriri
ufike la ngathi coach abo bekune-skins or ufike before angazi maka ufike 2011 so 2011 or 2012 angisakhumbula so into engisho ama-team
kumele bashadile ngileshawa ye-Pirates I think iyaspan in a positive way for ama-Gents the way babona ngakhona e-Bucks Camp linye documentary bayetsa nga-Brotherhood yaspana because of now
but it doesn't necessarily mean or maybe something if it's not in the naked eye it's not happening maybe ko lona lithule lona la Bucks whatever camp instead it's like you sort of like this is a statement so our players need to you understand each other
and I think
go to Real Madrid again
Espana
no before Zidane the time I Ancelotti he used to play with the players smoking even like your Cuban cigars and everything it shows you bonding you getting to understand the players you cannot just come
and I think they no pain sasiku Pirates bekayithula
because of Kevin Antu wayenza la ngevithi because of telling really like so naploma lutho so yona yaspana in a positive way ku the playing amongst tsona including the wing
yetsa le coach umsebenzi kube
simple ola ka khona go batluwa le epula njutse ka ile dintshanga o khona thola info okay next step in as a father not as a coach wabo like so and obviously le gona re le defend re khona oba more closer le di player because of that ngere bona ngalo itsa reba because of reba maka re mutlela makavele story santwana ing ba wabona go o mntwana be you etsa so the process
so
I think yaspana la
until football stop yonke we understand it's a business that's a fact but until stop yonke as a business inkiwe sort of like ngacho maybe sky the way thing it brings unity you understand baska business bankes like into khona ukopantsha batho hence picture ukathola fena COVID pochi KZN baplume off yogcina exchange the numbers, now they friends.
Because of vetaka kwasheba too. Like isiri opula like back then. Phela Chiefs shaka supporters sepaya too. Chiefs is one of the team eshanga supporters sepaya. Cross Africa.
I think
yona vele. Eshaka defense sepaya too. But then iba disappointing if ever idlala. Seko FNP bese sadlala. Ekubeni ina lead wengu sepaya.
But yini khosa
And then akakwasheba the opposite team yathing the rivals abona bona ba make sure too. I think that in fact tlamile like kana no tla ka kitse go la ka ke eng treasure because of now akakwasheba phela emfethu too.
Into
khosa ka tlatsa sibale FNB too.
Ya itlatsa mfethu. Mfethu okay eso Steve.
Into khosa layout yami simple.
Like the deliver
Gameplay.
Exactly. Phela manje yabona ithukutshela iqiniso like le effect nani yazi. Ekuqaleni njengoba iPirates beloku idonsa ngedizini, not everyone was attending stadium.
Exactly.
But now mina namanje mfethu I cannot okay I do have a lokhuzana Kaizer Chiefs t-shirt. But for me ukuthi ngisuke la mfethu ke ngasuka la nge-stadium. Angithi yazi ukuthi bayavala le ndawo le ahamba yangihlisa ngala ngase Omonde View. I had to walk. Mangifika lapha ngakangena score 3-0. So uyabona ukuthi nakhona ngifike lapha ya mangithi score ngiyawuzwa mangifike egate ngiyacelebrate. Ngicabanga ukuthi maybe mangithi score 3-0 amfana kavele katsamaya azange sagena stadium. So uyabona ukuthi lento ya
if iChiefs ingawin idlala idisc leli ama-fans
ayithanda.
Okay, FNB groot.
Mabana bangayigcwalisa bona.
Yona ingagcwala maybe on a weekend emini ngithola. But then sengiyasho ukuthi but singabona ama numbers ama-fans ukuthi ama-fans akhona. Ama-fans akhona because of ilento yenzeka kubhakani.
Currently ne.
When it's during the week or weekend abantu baya stadium noma during
ilento engicela ukuyisho manje ukuthi nina seniyazi ukuthi masoluza la iluzi iyenzwa
ama-players.
Yayizwa lento engisho. So the more like in a space where you like we can't lose such games. We can't be but now we at a stage where we like we start chentaka. Sheba no anaqeda wina Nedbank. Kuona mo bone inteng ndile ngibua nkana gore Kaizer Chiefs ina le defense. And you like yo.
Go the social.
It's not like social media. But I knew, but it took a while for me to actually see. Hey, we're still actually.
Sandanela pa konje ntse ba duzi fela ba duza
melibu yethu. Okay. Ndangamele kubonakala ukuthi ku-PSL abobana
ama-team akhruta
abobana.
Talking about team akhruta ukuthi abobana. Bafit. Talking about ama-team akhruta ukuthi abobana. Igame le Pirates.
Sundowns Champions League. PSL.
Igame le Pirates.
Thina sidlale nini izolo?
Sidlalize bekhaya sidlala izolo.
Amstel Arena.
The opening.
I was there, my brother.
Kambeni. I was parallel now. Kambeni.
It was a bomb.
Because nakumbula ngithanda idala abamile bawini batshela bawini esikwatile phela la. Badlala
eniqalele today.
Uvya zonke umuntu ufuna ungena ku-arena.
Ayibe kuyibhomba ngaphandle. Yo
ngibubhizi.
Mina ngene early.
Kuyibhomba ngaphandle ne. So afethu njengoba nithe arena. Sicela nithi capacity to Angithi arena. I-capacity to
ngeke.
Stadium.
No. Arena is for Orlando. Orlando Pirates. So Orlando Pirates. Only one team never done ko arena.
Okay, Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates. But
Kaizer Chiefs never done ko arena.
Orlando Pirates arena, right?
Yeah.
Sharp. Arena
no, arena.
Exactly.
Mapaka. The Bucks.
Le defense class and the very overflow.
Mamela, I think they jalo mabane. Be jalo mabane. Come on, ne. Phela
accommodate everyone.
Sharp. Phela lona obvious go le beda. Akere squeeze in.
Abathanda atmosphere babaningi na izolo.
Yabona manje.
Atmosphere se-arena inandi.
Nangisengiyangibonisa bafethu. Idisk. Yabona njengoba nami, let's say for an example, khona manje, iPirates idlala Africa, so the way kwangikade that simply means me I won't support Pirates idlala Africa.
Sitaba tsa ga
Na but ake bona jo ga ithunya ba ne stadium in support. No we supporting into it.
Yeah, sharp.
So why
Uri if ever ke arena ya rena mapagapaka, you must accommodate the support. Tsa go exactly. So re tetele re kenyeng rona mapagapaka. Le tswenga nyane re bone hore
o tle ke fihle mo direng eo ne ke bua ka capacity and so at least isalang
no ya capacity
sharp aksoqi o tle ke fihle rane ke tse capacity o re le tlo khona go accommodate and I believe o sa king Pirates on defensive by heads are just said right now. So that being said, I'm saying accommodate everyone, leave us out, because as we there maybe to saying okay, congratulations, le security we're congratulating you. It's not a beef type of a thing. Yes, football it's football, but yeah, accommodate.
Yeah, no.
Ya capacity.
Atmosphere. So game lezolo.
Ya capacity kancane. Ya capacity.
Yeah.
Ya capacity never basuyise stadium. Mara instead but to renovate or like sibe probably squale one ton because of if I want to increase the space never yet on a space for increase
but
so meaning or accommodate the players on the overflow never it will be impossible.
It's
impossible.
Okay, listen, okay, I understand what you're saying and I'm not disputing it. Nothing is impossible. So anything can happen, but there I think the limit is that field the more thing it's congested. I get that, but now for the name,
the arena,
sort of like compliment whatever.
The arena.
It needs to.
You see that?
It needs to. You understand? It totally different. No matter the stadiums, it's totally different to other stadiums because of the arena.
Ofuna ukushela bayenzana ngada. Konada. Construction. Basasepiece.
Yeah, basasepiece.
Then it's going.
Basasepiece. Nenta bayenza. Nenta bayipheka.
Congratulations. I order.
Yeah, no. Yesterday.
We're not searching ourselves.
That's beautiful.
Take that back.
I mean, I still say that.
Yeah.
Even today.
Yeah.
And ngizoyisho isizini izipheka.
Yeah.
Umrema kusistart.
Super sub.
Sistart le nto na.
Super sub.
But don't you think
and ngisho ukuthi akekho mnandi. Ngisho ukuthi akekho mnandi.
Don't you think they're trying to prepare him for being that player that starts njengoba mlahlela kanje? Don't you think? It's okay, yes, he's not a starter, but they believe ukuthi he's capable of, you know.
Yeah, he's capable. Yeah. But for now, he's not a start because of ulento le show. Somewhere somehow, sizodinga ukuthi lezi zinto azenza at some point zizocosta i-team.
Okay, I understand that.
Kuba selfish.
Can I impose?
Yeah, ngithola. Because of now, you need a start somewhere somehow to finish the game fast. So that ama mistake lezi zinto afuna ukuzenza zabuhlori nana azenzazi ukuthi leader comfortable. It's right. Then you can do whatever. Sibonise ayide ukuthi buyenzani because mas frustrated asifuni ukubona ukuthi buzama ukwenzani. We just need goals.
Yeah, ivarle.
Sundowns isihlula ngama-goal. We need goals. So that's why ngisho ukuthi somehow mina angicavi mfana ukuthi okay maybe we are rotate or what, but shout out to coach. Mina makabheda ngizosho ukuthi ungibhedele mina for me. Noma yenza into egrand ngizosho ukuthi wenza into egrand. Nge-starting lineup sakhe. Ne? Ufakile amabhomu lawa besikhuluma ngawo ukuthi ekela ukusave amabhomu for last 20 to 30 minutes of the game. Kill the game. Ayenzeni amabhomu izona.
Ayibulele first half.
Ayibulele first half game. Yangithola. Then whatever that you wanna do ngayenza sesileader comfortable. Then ungacala ufuna ukwenza lezi zinto zakho because of no akusisikhathi
experiment
rotator testana nabo bani experiment. No Chiefs zikora ngamas crossing goals. Yangithola and baya win and makubhalwa 90 minutes ebhodini
win
ina 3 points. Ukuthi kore kanjani ni ina 3 points.
Yeah.
Thina sifuna ukuwina ileague mara usafuna uku-experimentela usafuna ukufaka abobani bani usafuna anyeke izisibane. So shout out to Imizolo wenze sure ukuthi okay naba lamabhomu lawo and mina mfana into engihlale ngizibuza yini ukuthi ucoach akaboni ukuthi if i partnership ka Mfukeng namapolice partnership kumele ngabe sidle ngayo isizini sacala until no because of its deadly those one touch labantu babonana ebasing nami nginokuzibuza ukuthi no na umphasile bayabonana in fact labantu laba bayabonana and uyabona ukuthi kuna-riding kune-chemistry between them. Use that. Other teams are doing it. Mababona ukuthi nazi ibhamu zami bayazispanisa. They out defeat for ukudlala 90 minutes for wonke amagame asisalele including now in Nedbank. They are fit for that. So izolo uyithunile
izinto right.
Enza into right.
Ngiyamcomplimenta but
ngiyamcomplimenta ukuthi uyithule into right. Namasub ngiyengize ngikhali kangaka. Shaya amasub
ube on point.
Shaya amasub agrand when introduce Dijon udlale green for iplay belicala ukudlala. Sendani nothing wrong. Ngiyamthola and ngibonile and the into engishoyo ukuthi if umrema akabhekanga njengoba umxalisa namagame
Sendani
if umrema akaboni umsendane uzomthathela iskill.
Okay, bengisathi ngifuna ukubuza lento leyo ukuthi njengoba uthi Mremi is not a starter, who can you replace Mremi with ukuthi abe
Pirates?
Lento like kule position Mremi akuyo.
Uyabona lama game besilibele siwawina convincing. Uyakhumbula? Bekabe ku Apolice athi Mfukeni
njalo
afaka unumber 10. Beka lebelenza kanje
udlala ngoTito.
Wafaka umreni one game wakora njengoba bekashaya lela goal elihle. Then after lapho uvele wamcalisa namagame. So awusambuildanga the way kumele umbuilding ngakhona umntwana ukuthi ajwayele ukuthi uthi singacala namagame. Uvele wabona lela goal washo ukuthi hayi man le
right for start.
Right for.
But then again uthola ukuthi whatever that you're thinking of, maybe there's like out of 100% there's like 5% of your part. Whatever le coach, let's say for example ukudlala umreni kunento yokuthi ayibona and like ama-fans njengawo you're not pleased with that ukuthi okay Mremi is not a starter, but then ucabanga ukuthi mangafaka umremi uzongishayisa. But even though angayenzi the wenza ngakhona siyazi nathi as a Kaizer Chiefs fan ukuthi umremi super sub, but there's something ukuthi coach uyibona thina esingayiboni. Okay mina let me take myself out wena ongayiboni, understand? So that being said, I think into ezoyenza ukuthi kushintshe konke and nakho nje uyibeke ngakhona bekabe kwapolice abeke nomfukeni ngathi abeke bani lapha kathi
Master Chef.
But now he feels like okay mangabe kumremi ngabe kubantu banje ngoba amabhombe wahlala sebenchini kanje and the mandate yawo wena batla wina league coach na maybe is just cruising. That's what I think.
Yabona into
experiment what experiment
mara marizolo hayi ishayile yabo ishayile
naye
lento sikhale ngayo ngegame lesikhukhuni sokhala ngayo nakule game le ama-gents are selfish uye futhi yena ukhona kulobu selfish sibili badlala esayidini eli-1 ba-selfish emfethu mangibele ngiphasa ukora mina ngiyengishaya ngizokuphasa kora mawucelebrate ngiyacelebrate mawuwina ngiyawina mawujabulile ngijabulile confidence yakho mayikhuphuka because ukorile nami iyakhuphuka because
yakhuphuka because of ngibona igoli laka Kimfukeni first goal laka Mbuthu akashaya goal eli moyicala nting apolice
qale ku apolice
atosha reverse pass eli run yamfukeni ulosha cutback eli ethola Mbuthu mara box enda ushebele celebration ya tenju 2 yaka yi others they are celebrating assist ba celebrate goal score so like yabona ke retse di celebrate tsela yengwe mara ke a sheba it makes sense it makes sense ke a sheba ke rao
everyone is happy
mara we shaba like the way ba tladileng ka teng like from the back ko sbc ayisa ko la ile ngo ndaba nka deep run from left back nka deep run because of lena if ever Mbuthu ma sa ithola grand ndaba nako gara because of nalel boxing the way kiboni the way like very tactical ka thing but then Mfukeng ka di blind run danger start one
Mfukeng start sure danger azibengisha azidiskinga mo stadium ulibona ngendlela different
than everything is there up close
ongabheka the way beka move ngakhona
movement
mayofuna ibhola makazovulela uApolice space makasuka bebathi kunalento bebayenza yena nopolice interchange position
Mfukela.
bebayenza so kuleya number 10 phela bebangazi ukuthi ubani unumber 10 ubani uzoyo collect disk ubani ovava apolice bekanokulanda idisk njengoba landile kaSibisi
Elulanda idisk
umfukeng bengonokungena beda ku number 10 undaba uyoda left wing nini ibadisi umfukeng uyo society endolandile wapolice mabazomnika undaba uyeza uyarana so uzobhayizisa lezo makumfukeng yangithola umfukeng uthi nalasha khona ivala ngabona abantu bangenezayo
ngibone kancane
around lapha yabona
hayi ukuthi nginomona ngasijule kakhulu kwi-Pirates ukuthi speak izinto ebhayo sijulile bafethu asabonga for i-win bafethu
shout out bafethu astabwela twana
now we have to actually talk about the CAF yabo
Sometimes
sesikhathi izinto zami i-Pirates zigwinyile ngiyasibheka lapha shubona babhe
yeah no Champions League
like,
sometimes Al Hilal
what do you see like the okay like talking about my team Abu Betway and like what is it that you see like the positive outcome or the negative outcome are you seeing like my team now it's a progress like through like making it through all the way I'm talking about all the teams Sundowns
from 1 to 16
a computer
no yeah
so
then but
badlala ini ama group la sase group
group stage
I think even though Sundowns losile izolo they still qualify
like you njengoba discuss okay I'm convinced with the make it you remember even with Kaizer Chiefs we were not convinced but we
finally
so that's the questioning ibuza ukuthi like is it convincing enough ukuthi shoot okay they playing they will make it or it's one of those things like history repeating itself ukuthi we're not seeing them convincingly but they going they pushing
it's Sundowns
1 2 3
Kana yini
Stelis they having a better run to start with
Kaizer Chiefs
they having a better run ku CAF
babo number last
I think ngiyacabanga
even right now
even though bayaba leader asazi ukuthi manje ukuthi siva kanjani score so with Chiefs i-Chiefs njengoba ngisho ngithi like they are improving I think ngile yabanceda sibali Chiefs ukudlala ama-both bakayiboost yangithola because of now they are playing and baya lead so meaning ba-serious nge-CAF yangithola and then amanye ama-player athola i-momentum again ilona i-confidence ne-momentum because badlala week in week out so ama-game alandelayo for Sundowns well I can say ukuthi I know ukuthi Sundowns is a progress because of the experience abanayo e-CAF but then it's tough to
I wanted to ask you by the look of things we understand
bayaya so bayaya
but by the look of things
bayaya
is it convincingly the way we used to think or ikulento ukuthi okay oh well
I mean
did you change look at Sundowns
before ngiphendule idlale kanjani iLupopo izolo
ishaye Alga
ishayile
ishaye Alga
bayidlile
i-number 3 groupini yabo Alga uRulani udliwe
bamdlile izolo
udliwe
then if iwinile iLupopo number 2
in iLupopo
yeah
iLupopo
ina 7 points if iwinile izolo
because of Sundowns idliwe
ina 5
yes so like it's a shubin there
bengifuna ukwazi dayile ngicela
ngiphendula
lento le so I oh well
it's a
Sundowns baku oh well Stellenbosch ngathi but Stellenbosch mfana I'll understand into engisho somehow management
yeah
ama decision abawathathayo somehow management wama team akhawatha la
mfana
so ubona
ngicabangayo mfana
so bona
and remember into bakhostayo baluza ama-player ukuthi bewa active ku CAF
not only CAF but active team
that's why bengithi ngiyala ukuthi njengoba ubuza le question usayicala mina bengibuza ukuthi i-mandate yini from top level management ukuthi masidlala ku Confederation na ku Champions League Sundowns I understand bafuna
ukuywina yeah we know that yeah
i-Chiefs you know from i-background i-Chiefs bebangana interest ku Champions League uyakhumbula bebangana interest nalothi babazofika ku final akumele bekakhala ukuthi yo travel imali
ne treatment
so I don't think we want interest but no njengoba balwele badlala balebele bawina 1-0 bayawina i-build the confidence ukuthi abafethu we can do this we can play these teams yabo so beyizoba build bazozithola bakubo masemi knockout in then indaba ukuthi man
but bobo
angi-understand ku-Chiefs thingithi angi-understand
imindeti yawo
no like uthola imindeti yastelisi regret. But another thing, Steve, the 11, okay, let me just say 15 players. And we used to each other to a point where Steve in faith.
Yeah,
you understand? But no player is a Tamai. And not only this player, Otama if negative push, apparently the player they become discouraged even though they know okay, Spanish. Mara but next panel born the simple for than who get fight understand I think Leon
that is why it's mainly from top level
the decision management
because of if Sifungu win already siringa nama-play akunamuntu ohambayo bafethu until isizini iphela imandate nayo nifuna nenyuku songayi but imandate nayo asenzeni datingly le ndaba yokuthi umuntu uzovela ne-20 million then bathengisa iplayer bebalidinga bazothengisa lili bathengisa lili bavayisa ucoach bekumele bamtshele naye ukuthi hayi mfethu tshela labantu laba isizini mayiphela siyakurelease uyavaya into yakhe izohlala green but no imandate ile
said ngestelisi
because usayine contract
it's said ngestelisi get this one as we feeling sad but I feel like Stelis they pushing a business not like okay business in terms in regards to Pirates they pushing business right but they taking good care of their players Stelis they pushing business but along the way they're not taking care of their players because remember the chemistry that you build, the bond that you build. So you still have to build up again. So that simply means Bona, they're not focusing on building the team, they're just focusing on even sustainable, but bringing players and selling them. And selling them.
Maybe keep point because of now like performance abona recently. Akashaya look PSL betway wabona man because of the player via la Costelis the player le active week in week out ke khoya team baluzitse Dion one of the best players yabona
before what Dion
baluzitse Botupri Van Royal
like by Kasadi
Adams Jaden now baluza like
they're pushing business keep business
no
point
like you're right I don't think they care that much
that much
abana tshwara ke batla go compete Sundowns because Pirates bana tshwara wa ke go thola player understand they're pushing business and it makes sense because of back then I thought that's what they used to say selling portion the era not Mara.
Mara is billionaire.
Yeah, Mara, it's business for you to be.
Business. Yeah, I don't think
protecting your assets.
They care too much about Champions League. Yeah, they're just doing that.
So they're pushing a business for it. Yeah, we're talking about the straight teams.
So it's
like you see them progressing, you said Sundowns
the Sundowns are push well no. So because of no
push well.
Why would I not let team layer?
Labor shy. Oh, Nadia.
Hey,
artificial turf.
Why would I not? And they wanna da and like mina ngiyakutshela bazoyiropa
kabuhlungu kabi they like ropa. But you will never know cause
so ukuyiropa kwabo then it means bayaphuma phela.
In
bona balose lona qualifications lona sport to qualify for knockout
Sundowns bazoyiropa vele ukuthi iphume
ngiyamthola and it's possible because of that sibukele game
lakho. Let me tell you why bazoyiropa awuthiyami ngikutshela ukuthi why ngithi bazoyiropa angeke iropa ile ya team leya le team izoyiropa but abo Al-Ahly lawo ma team lawo azoyenza sure ukuthi abaphume ku group stage labantu laba yithi kumele swine lady
yeah man
it is doable because
it's possible it's possible
bazoyiropa Sundowns phela yadliwa iLupopo la
iphumile
But then
Lupo
again,
izoba na 10 points.
But then
Sometimes ngegame lokuthi
what makes you think ukuthi Sundowns and it won't fight their way up ukuthi ngenzaka lo mshika lo? Phela you must remember ukuthi hey,
The president.
You must remember. That's a plus.
Akachunanga for goals.
But yeah, akachunanga for thina, but for Sundowns never, bro. Already okay.
Bazoyiropa uRenevar.
Yeah, bakayiropa ne.
Bese bathi investigation till ngoMay.
So yophiwe etafuleni. Bayidlela etafuleni.
But now I'm seeing Sundowns qualify.
Lena vele like
whether I'm ropa or not.
Lena vele ke ibona qualify wabo. Maka right mfana well.
Oh well.
Oh well.
So like yeah.
Ufuna ungitshela ukuthi uRulani uzofuna ukudliwa. Sundowns.
Udlala neSundowns. Ufuna uzovuka ngeSundowns.
Yazifana
Makavela ngavuka. Unequal.
Ifana nezo.
Unequal.
Bheka izola ngithi ukudlala cheaper ne Durban City.
Yeah.
And who's this guy? Padela.
Yeah.
He was with cheaper, not for long.
Yeah.
So yesterday, it was a grudge game. Hooray, revenge. Kanti revenge. They didn't come to the part. You understand? Because even if you can check the goals in page.
Maka goalkeeper lena naitsa. Naitsa antarin kiti da.
Nah.
Wabana awusimnati ul goalkeeper. Lahla disk njalo. Basayiketsa bochayini.
Basaphusha agenda ukuthi penalty isukwa yive ngoba sayacorrect.
Ngibonile
masibheka lamagula siyabona kanti
okay, besides the fact ukuthi ukore kanjani, but for the effect ukuthi like sense of agency where he needs to be like a boxing ngesikhathi esithize putting their pressure. We need to credit him for that.
Yeah.
Not that he's not a good striker and everything, but I think yesterday he was emotional because of he felt like that's why he became so emotional. Hence, I'm saying, what's my striker? It doesn't necessarily mean scoring a spectacular goal and everything. You scoring is enough for us.
And then I'm for to like Kwaiba, I don't see him as
he's not a bad player.
A striker, yeah. As a striker, that kind for to Odala Granda is behind strike.
And I know, now
position 8. Like be number 10 link up on the trunk.
I think they took him for his height and they took like Okona protector polo. That's why they actually
because of remember phakathi kwalomsane imsane ethi yona riding bambona la coach Padala as a bekadala nobani the striker lesibani konje Evanga we striker se cheap yena ayi behind him
emuva wakhe
uyangithola nadlala la akhona link up le Eva badlale phakathi emsayina kamabaka ajwalo in fact itla ikantintlisa mona le competition ehlanyana
mabona outside kimani outside ngolo kimani idlala ko cheaper
Godwin Musele la kenja libala
wayithi mfana ko cheaper ne if nekisho escape yana
nandi over
cheaper if Musele bekangekho emidleleni I don't think they would have like created lento like the way Muthuma beka pressa ngakhona elumchitalo beka shamanya ama pass from deep.
So do you think some players they just good for other teams?
Yeah, basically that's what I'm saying. With the coaches way.
That's why I can say.
The coaches way.
Well, ungayisho into leyo. Khumbule lama team lawa aza nge project different.
The project
yabo ne different.
Yeah, that's why you shoot some other.
Because of now mangabheka good players ezuku Chiefs, good players ezuku Pirates, Sundowns. Remember lo mathimane pressure on itself. Yangithola. So like you utswa ko riding no perform kwaMaZulu. Udlala ubona wadla. Yawulata team. Yawufika la. Yaw email riding.
Kibathwa kamako.
Yaw email riding. So we put it like
Marco yam email.
No, like I'm email Chiefs. Uma komfana like okay, I understand ukuthi neminyaka yangithola. But uma komfethu ukuza ku Kaizer Chiefs. Mina I was happy. Reason being noma kolo bengibona ku Pirates uloma kolo bengifuna ukubona ku Chiefs. But now I feel like his style of play it's not for Chiefs.
I will like against the Talents.
Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying he's not.
Nyamuzwa ushawo.
I know yamthola.
Yazibuyela kuphi? Ibuyela kulento le besikhuluma ngayo kakhulisa umndawo ukuthi ukhulisa umndawo masimfaka ku squad besimfakela ukuthi ukhulisa umndawo siyazi ukuthi useyila wenza nini. But he's no longer giving us what we took him for. It's like okay, if I know what you relax, you ask what's on a competition. So Uma Komfethu used to like that player. As I go Pirates, he used to play like Umatlaba for me.
You know,
like when in terms of transition,
Marco, the first time ngimbona mina adlalela iChipa nje Pirates uzomsign ukhumbule kumakuphela iproject ye-Sundowns development juniors so like cheaper first team ngingaqala ukumbona kulo ku-cheap otherwise a winger anali speed wabona offensive wise ayaphila mako una le plan una something dangerous that one wabo so I think Santana zama adapter da ku-Chiefs since utsho like it's not a bad player but our adapter to culture Chiefs like Chiefs idlala jwang so da ku Pirates ukhuma da ku Pirates bekazenzele
can you please differentiate between these two teams according to how you see it Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates like the style of play ngitshela ukuthi iPirates dominant ngana against the Kaizer Chiefs dominant ngana against the Pirates
Pirates got the bowlers ball playing players mostly the players tse ba nang le tsona ke players le go di khona go hold up ball like di dlala ba hlakantse those 1-2 combination passes
that's what ball runner
yeah
and it needs energy
you need it blind
yes
so like obviously we know culture Pirates like Pirates system ya bona pa o go shebella ba shadisane tsa bona ba tlatsa di winger tse pa di di wing back tse pa tsena le speed we put Sibelebele wena anka botsa no like Sibelebele ke material a Pirates na o ka renda because of speed side and then culture vele ya Pirates vele re tletse ka di speed wingers vele from your scholela so Terminator yo ka ba bitse bo Cheese Boy to Makala exactly so like I think that they knew bana le yona that they knew plus le di players le go vele di khona ga mo midleleng di wa bo o khona ba khona adapt fast da 112 whereas ko Chiefs
can say nada
and
you can say nada
like
back then ubona ka boshabala ne ke tlo
khona di leng le shota ku Chiefs khona di leng le shota but then angazi ukuthi ngathi
one way not for me I feel like we haven't got like the creative midfield like creative style Tulonyana back then that's what we lacking and I think mutsoka tlisang riding eo ke yo ba sa batlo mbe ma positioning emtshwanetseng
vida
one way difference between two teams
you said what
one way the difference between these two teams chemistry
okay
true okay
true
chemistry ngeke badlali ngokufana bocoach abafana but chemistry yabada
ingahlanga
and I think my question ingahlanga
to
say what differentiates lama team wethu
mina ngisazothi chemistry
then hence I'm saying ukuthi bengabeka kahle but ngiphendule mina into the only thing bengisaba ngePirates when I was playing Orlando Pirates I know mfana when it comes to high tempo game never by ML you know why I phela bona back then nekitsebo my back four they flat footed and the Pirates when it comes to abona bile ntshele e bone mabane ya di blind runs it's one game fucking ke yona ntse e tlo khawatsa nge Kaizer Chiefs because no etsi kshebileng o sheba game player Pirates against Magesi Mabane you check those interchanges you check the pocket runs you check how the ball circulates then you look at Kaizer Chiefs defense you check abokwini ka balahle ball they flat like mfana I'm panicking at 28
bangamfaka uMiguel
maka bamfakanga choose
elebe idlalile Chiefs ukuya ngami igame ile Chiefs
uMiguel maka ngekho fielding mfana we play
only this boy ubani untana ka Fabian Mkhithi Aiden enali Santan Ali
he's also flat he's also
utothola the slim Chief is gonna be a problem
masingatholi defense efana yazinani ngithatha umbokazi ayi1 ngimhlukanise angazi like ke mo break it down
ayi4 ntwana beyi1
in terms of movement is there umbokazi ayo flat passing there's more bangile bamthola flat thank kana bamrobatsa temba kona that's the kana kadlala kuba fana that's the only time I saw umbokazi ali flat
but then obviously it happens go the play
ke tsopatla go bontsha no akere patla go
out of 100 one mistake
so you sort of like break down Mbogazi ubafaka ofela. So I'm telling you, mfana, we have a strong defense against Kaizer Chiefs. We have a strong defense against the Chiefs.
No Q&A today.
Yeah. Njengoba siyivala bafethu. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Usitshele ukuthi wena ucabanga nje. Angithi ngishilo ngathi vele ngizokuphakela udle. Maqeda ngitshela ukuthi ukudla bekunjani.
Khamba kanjani?
Yangithola.
Any updates?
Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Sida.
Any updates?
Any updates regarding
CAF Confederations Cup score update? Asingacheck bafethu.
Check brother.
Asicheck before siyigqoba lezo. Before siyivala mfethu.
Yeah, iKaizer Chiefs izokora nini igoli lesi-2. Since yagcina ukora igoli lesi-2, I think back then in November.
Serious vele.
Man.
Amakakidele ngivelo hlala ngoba.
Amangale team abadlala nayo hayi bangashabo
Mfethu score 3 first half.
Awuthola di updates before ke kwala shandisina. Rebona kabantu.
Yeah, bafethu.
Our fact checker ubusy.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Our fact checker ubusy.
WhatsApp channel,
Facebook. Follow WhatsApp channel. Follow Instagram.
Can check it.
Sikhona bafethu.
Infrared connection.
Shout out to PSL. Shout out to PSL. Shout out to all the players.
Just
Bafethu.
check there. We are Google and check who the score update the Kaizer Chiefs right now.
Shout out to all the players. Siyabonga. Choose maybe ingubani isikhathi. Phela igame.
Akapheli. Masingena lapho I think who they are.
No, you win it. I hope you win it. Yeah, but I wish you